Hello everybody, welcome to another Honda Element video. Today I'm here with a special guest, Element 44 guys.
Hello guys.
The one and the only. And what are we doing today,
So
Joseph?
today we actually got these motor mounts from 1320 Performance. Look at these beauties. Look at these. So for anybody wanting to upgrade to better motor mounts, this is one of your great options that you have. So we're going to be replacing the stock OEM mounts that I have. Currently these motor mounts have about 103,000 miles. They're pretty good. You know, they're still up to par, but we do want to upgrade them. Since I do have the engine swap and I'm making a little more power, I do notice that the motor does shift around, and you'll see in a couple clips, you know. But yeah, we'll be going step by step how to install these 1320 Performance motor mounts.
Sounds good. So we're gonna start with the transmission mount first, or what we're gonna do first?
We're actually gonna start with the passenger side motor mount.
Okay guys, so let's do it. We're gonna show you how to replace all the motor mounts, transmission mount, and the differential mount too, right?
And the rear differential mount. They do offer it as well.
Just want to mention guys that this is for a manual transmission. Also I'm gonna be doing a automatic transmission later on next week. So let's start.
Let's start. So we start off by just, you know, supporting the engine from underneath, just to take some weight off of the passenger side engine mount.
$17 millimeter bolts, right?
Yes, sir. 317. 317s to take this engine mount off. And I do have the HRG drop kit, engine drop kit. And I modified mine. I grinded it down because it gets really close to the tensioner, the belt tensioner. So mine is modified. And then we take off the 3 14 millimeter bolts.
Now we are removing the 3 14 millimeter bolts.
And then easy as that.
That was so easy, Joseph.
Really easy.
Joseph just making it making it look very easy, guys.
So these two bolts, they come just lightly installed. They don't come bolted down all the way. The one at the very bottom, the one that goes towards the bottom, we just tighten that one up. And this top one, we take off completely. So it is notched. It's really nice. That way it doesn't spin. Drop this right in its place. Sweet. So the motor mount itself, the one that connects the motor mount to the engine, that's where that bolt's gonna go. So we'll just roll these 14s real quick. Yeah, my key rule is always, depending on the size of the bolt, you kind of just go based off that, but you know, experience teaches you that. But if torque specs are important, but these, you just want to snug them until they stop spinning. And right here, we can actually hit these with the impact. Until it stops. Perfect. Reinstalling the HRG drop spacers. So clock them the right way.
So far it's pretty easy to replace the passenger side motor mount, guys.
Yeah. So then, since it's an aluminum sleeve with the steel bolt, I like to use a little bit of anti-seize, just a little bit. It's too much, so we'll take some off.
Very good tip for people trying to do those.
You don't want those to get stuck to each other. So perfect. So put this away. And then that's a 19 mil. You don't want to cross thread these since it's steel to aluminum. So these, I'll just hit them with the impact. Alright, that one's installed.
Nice. That one took us like 10 minutes, guys, without recording. So for people trying to replace their own motor mount, it's a pretty easy job, guys. Save you tons of money from taking it to a shop.
Yep.
So now what we're gonna do next, Joseph?
We're gonna be doing the driver's side.
So we're gonna do
Driver's side
the
engine
transmission mount now.
Yep.